Okay, so this is an open board test. I've learned the hard way that if you put everything inside the box and then find out something's not working, it's just going to be a giant waste of time. So everything is hooked up. There is RAM, so basic RAM, CPU. You can use without a cooler, but I've installed it anyway because I know it works. And the graphics card, because this one does not come with an onboard graphics for the CPU. So the way to start is to find the power pins. Now they are the same regardless of which AMD or Intel chipset it is. So all you have to do is find this space right here, this empty space, and there's two pins right after. You just short the two of them and your system will start. So some people use a jumper. I don't recommend it because it just needs to be touched once. Once the two pins are connected, your system will boot up, and then you can try it out. Okay, switch on the monitor there. Alright, so it works, and typically I would leave the board on because nowadays the BIOS is very informative. So if I wanted to make sure that I've installed the fan and the heatsink correctly, I would leave it on and see if the temperature rises. Where does it actually sit? If it settles and stabilizes somewhere. So once it looks like it does settle somewhere, that means everything is good. And just switch it off. Alright, thank you.